Your IKEA Dirigera hub has a secret laboratory hidden inside it. While most people use it only to turn lights on and off, there's an entire experimental workshop almost no one knows about. Today, I'm revealing 8 hidden features that transform this affordable hub into a true smart home powerhouse. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to a smarter house. Smart homes made simple. If you own an IKEA Dirigera hub, you probably know the basics. But what I'm about to show you will make it feel like a completely different device. Let's start with the first hidden feature, the workshop. This is IKEA's secret beta testing lab, and most users have no idea it exists. Open the IKEA Home Smart app, go to your profile, scroll down, and you'll find the workshop. Inside, IKEA tests experimental features months before public release. Matter support, adaptive lighting, and upcoming device integrations all appear here first. If you love being on the cutting edge, this is your VIP pass to the future. Feature number 2 is something IKEA doesn't advertise at all. The Dirigera can pair with some non-IKEA Zigbee devices. This isn't officially supported, and compatibility can be hit or miss. But with recent Matter updates, IKEA is clearly moving toward real multi-brand support without hacks. Feature number 3 is huge, local control without internet. Even if your internet goes down, your lights, blinds, and scenes keep working. Everything runs locally on your Wi-Fi network. That means better privacy, faster response times, and rock-solid reliability. In a cloud-dependent smart home world, this is incredibly rare. Feature number 4 completely changes the game. With firmware version 2.805.6, Dirigera became a full Matter controller, not just a bridge, a controller. You can now add Matter-certified devices from other brands directly into the IKEA app. Smart plugs, sensors, and switches all in one place. Enable this in the workshop, and suddenly your $70 hub rivals premium systems. Feature number 5 is hidden deep inside the hardware. Dirigera includes a Thread radio that turns it into a Thread border router. With Thread version 1.4, it can join existing Thread networks instead of creating new ones. That means it works seamlessly with HomePod minis, Echo devices, and Google Nest hubs. One unified Thread mesh, faster, stronger, and more reliable. Feature number 6 is smart lighting done right. Inside the workshop, you'll find motion-based light preset schedules. Your lights can be dim and warm at night, bright and cool in the morning. And the best part? They automatically adjust with sunrise and sunset throughout the year. Set it once and it adapts forever. Feature number 7 turns Dirigera into an energy monitoring hub. With Matter 1.3 support, power data is no longer locked inside the IKEA app. You can access real-time watts, voltage, amps, and total energy usage in other platforms. Trigger automations when appliances finish running or track energy vampires in your home. This is serious smart home power. And finally, feature number 8, direct Zigbee device binding. Instead of routing everything through the hub, sensors can talk directly to lights. This means instant response times, better reliability, and reduced network traffic. Even if the hub is offline, critical automations still work. This is advanced Zigbee functionality hiding inside a budget hub. So there you have it. 8 hidden features that turn the IKEA Dirigera into a future-proof smart home powerhouse. Beta tools, Matter and Thread support, offline control, energy monitoring, and lightning-fast automations, all for around $70. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. And if you own a Dirigera, tell me in the comments, which feature are you excited to try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.